Hi there. Check out the Leopard Folding Computer Desk, designed for small spaces and easy storage. This foldable desk measures 31.5 by 17.8 inches and stands 28.4 inches tall, folding down to less than 3.6 inches wide for compact storage. No assembly is required, so you can set it up or fold it away in seconds. It serves multiple purposes as a computer desk, study table, or even a dressing table, fitting perfectly in any room. The desk features adjustable foot pads to keep it stable on any surface. Its sleek white finish adds a clean and modern look to your home office or study area. Enjoy a space-saving solution that combines functionality and convenience effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.